My name is William Sechrist. My wife Kathy and I moved from the Huntersville, North Carolina area to Saluda River Club in August of this year, and didn't like either the interior or the exterior color of our new home, and decided we needed to have it painted. Did a quick Google search and came across Carolina Painting. Shot Kevin an email, and he was very quick to respond. Had the interior painted completely before we moved in. Probably took about a week and a half or so, which was fantastic, and so we were able to move into the house with a fresh, clean interior and be able to get all of our possessions in place. And then we tackled the exterior. Obviously weather issues come up, but very punctual with everything. Got back to us very quickly on questions we had and concerns, and the exterior looks fantastic. The attention to detail was more than I could have expected. Actually pointed out flaws that they had found on their own, and then went through and did them a second time, which is more than I could ever ask for from a professional company. So would highly recommend them, and I hope that someone will review this testimonial the same way I did when I did my Google search as proof positive that you should give them a call. Thanks.